Hello everyone, I am Hupen Karplani, Faculty of Economics in SRN International School. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, today I am going to discuss the topic Government Budget of Class 12 from Macroeconomics. Let's start. First of all, we should understand the meaning of government budget. Government budget is an annual statement showing estimated receipts and estimated payments of the government for an accounting year. Let's come to the objectives of government budget. Why there is a need for a government to prepare a government budgets. First, GDP growth. Second, balanced regional growth. Third is allocation of resources. Fourth is redistribution of income and wealth. And finally, we have the economic stability. Let's see one by one all these objectives of the government budget. The first objective is GDP growth. The government tries to achieve GDP growth in its government budget, in which the government increases the expenditure on infrastructure and also promote private investments by providing them liberal tax policies. Next is balanced regional growth. Balanced regional growth simply means the development of backward areas, and for this purpose the government in their budget declares the backward areas into special economic zone where producer will get tax rebates and utilities at a concessional rate. Let's see the next one, that is allocation of resources. The government through its government budget tries to allocate the scarce resources for the production of those goods and services which satisfy the collective need and for the social welfare. Examples are like government expenditure on law and order, defense, administrative services, etc. Let's come to the next. Now next is redistribution of income and wealth. Government through its progressive tax system tries to impose more taxes to the richer section of society and provide subsidies to the poor section of society, and in this way the government redistributes income and wealth. And finally, the last objective of the government budget is the economic stability. The interference of the government to increase the demand or to reduce the demand provides the economic stability. Thank you all. I hope you all have understood today's topic, government budget and its objective. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you all.